Hi, friends. Welcome back. I'm Barbara, and this is my home sweet home. Today, I'm sharing one of those quiet little upgrades that makes your whole home feel more pulled together. This is the Brabantia Bow Touch Top 8-gallon square trash can. And I bought mine in white for our laundry room and mud room, which is a super high traffic area at our house. You know that space where shoes coming off, jackets getting tossed, kids running through, dogs circling like they own the place, and like Dolly jumping. And because it's such a busy pass through, I wanted a trash can that didn't look like an afterthought. This one is slim and space efficient, so it can sit against the wall or tuck into a corner without sticking out and stealing floor space. It instantly made that area look neater and more intentional. Like, oh yeah, we have our life together and it looks like it, right? Even if we don't. Now, let's talk about the lid, because this is one of my favorite parts. It has a soft touch press top opening, so you can open it with one hand, just a light press, and it pops open smoothly. In a laundry or mudroom, that matters more than you'd think, because your hands are usually very full. Mine are. You're holding a basket, you've got a towel, you're juggling something sticky, or you're trying not to touch anything because you just cleaned. This feels cleaner and more hygienic, and it's also just satisfying. It opens very easily, but it still feels really sturdy and well made, like a quality piece, not flimsy plastic. Size-wise, it's 8 gallons or 30 liters, so it's a really nice in-between size for a laundry room, big enough for you to not be taking it out constantly, but not huge, and doesn't look bulky, and it doesn't take over the space. It's because it's a square shape, it looks modern and tidy and very streamlined. Another thing I appreciate is the non-slip base. It sits nicely and doesn't scoot around, and it helps protect your floors from scratches. It's a busy area where people are brushing past it. That's a small detail that ends up being a big deal over time. Okay, so practical mom grandma moment here. Let's talk about emptying it. It has a removable inner bucket, which makes taking it out the trash like super clean, and the bin is so much easier. You just lift the bucket out, swap your bag, and you're done. And if something leaks or gets messy, because life happens, you can literally take that inner bucket out and rinse it, wipe it down, let it air dry, and pop it back in. The opening is nice and wide too, so it helps prevent spills when you're tossing things in. One other thing, it comes with a sample pack of Brabantia Perfect Fit trash bags. They're the ones with code O, so you can try them right away and see how they fit. I love when brands do that because it takes the guesswork out of which bag do I buy. And these are tear resistant and made from recycled plastics, which is a nice bonus. And speaking of that, this is one of those products that feels more thoughtfully made. It's a more sustainable choice. It's the cradle to cradle certified bronze level, and it even comes with a 10-year guarantee, which tells me they expect it to last. I'm all about buying fewer things, but buying better things. So if you have a laundry room, mudroom, pantry, or any little corner where you want things to look clean, calm, and pulled together, this is a really solid option. Mine is the white, and it looks crisp and fresh, especially in a space that can get really chaotic fast. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.